Mamiko and I are here in Bali for a little while, celebrating her birthday week, her birthday month, and I have to tell you, I definitely overpacked for this trip. I haven't been here in several years. It's rainy season, never been here in rainy season, and I brought way too much stuff in way too many categories, but I have to be okay with it because that's what I have and that's what I'm working with. And it got me thinking this morning about how we plan and pack, so to speak, for these human lifetimes. We always overplan, we always overpack on purpose because we don't know what it's really going to be like until we actually get here into physical form. And so we plan a lifetime with certain highlights, certain big goals, things we absolutely have to do in this trip, and other things that would be nice to do if we have time. And then we always have tons of contingencies depending on the weather, what happens. You have way more in your life blueprint than you could possibly get to in a couple of dozen lifetimes. So it's not like you're ever going to run out of a plan or ever run out of inspiration, passion. There is no way that's going to happen in this lifetime. And when you packed, you brought all the DNA, and not just physical DNA, you brought all sorts of non-physical DNA with you in your cellular consciousness, in your cellular memory, because you wanted to be prepared for any eventuality. Now, these could be certain lifetimes that you remembered that were your own, but sometimes you also borrow or pack other people's lifetimes because you feel that that experience or the wisdom they gained during that lifetime might be helpful for you. So not only did you overplan, but you overpacked. You have way more than you could possibly need or use in a single lifetime, way more. So I wanted to share these things just to reassure you that no matter where you are in your life's journey, whether it's a journey of spiritual awakening, being creative, creating a business, finding a new career, whatever it is, you have everything you need. In fact, you have more than enough. Not only did you overpack and overplan, but you lined up so many non-physical friends to help you. Spirit friends, guides, teachers, angels, high beings of light like goddesses. You prepared so much for this lifetime. So I just want to reassure you that whatever it is you're doing right now, however you're feeling right now, you've got this. You came prepared. There is nothing, and I mean nothing, that this life can throw in front of your path that you are not prepared to either cope with or learn from or manage or manifest from. You are way more prepared and way more capable than you think you might be. So until I see you again, I send you my love and light here from Bali. Aloha.